Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to autofill dates in Google Sheets. So first we're going to open a random spreadsheet. Then next we're going to insert the dates on the block. You guys can select the formatting of the block by clicking on Format, then on Number. Then as you can see there's the date format, you guys can change it if you want. So next we're going to click on the little button just under the block. Then we're going to spread it. So all we have to do is drag it. So when we drag it downwards, it's going to autofill the dates. So that's how you do it. It's a very simple step. All you have to do is drag the dates downwards and it's going to autofill it for you. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.